everyone, welcome back to our Pilates and Wellbeing program online. We're continuing with our Face Pilates routine and specifically targeting the neck today. So we're going to start with sitting up nice and tall. I want you to feel your neck lengthening and your shoulders drawing down the back. Now we're going to use our tongue suctioning up to the roof of our mouth to create a tension in the neck, and this is what's going to be stretching and working these muscles right under the jowl and into the bottom, the base of the neck here. So sitting tall, you're gonna lift the center of your tongue up towards the roof of your mouth and suck upwards, okay? So if you have your pointer finger or two fingers underneath the chin there, you should feel as if they're lifting up and in, okay? And you can see even how my neck muscles engage when I do this. It sometimes takes a little bit of practice, but see if you can just practice the tongue lifting up, keeping the mouth closed. Create that contraction, and we're gonna hold it. Holding, good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Lengthen the neck, again. Suck the tongue up. Hold as if you were gonna swallow. Hear him from the side. Hold it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Good. Remember as you're doing these exercises to keep the rest of your face relaxed, okay? So no tension in the forehead, eyes are relaxed. We're just working through this neck area. Let's do a couple more. We extend the neck. Tongue lifts up, draw in and up. Hold it for 10 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. One more there. Shoulders relaxed, sit up tall, lengthen the neck, suck up and in. Hold it, 10 seconds. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Great. Thank you for joining me, and we look forward to doing our next neck series with you in our next video.